St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and whether you love subtle, elegant decor or enjoy adding a bit of festive fun, I have plenty of ideas that will bring just the right amount of Irish charm into your home. So, grab a cup of tea and get cozy, as we explore charming and festive ways to decorate your home for St. Patrick's Day. From simple touches to statement pieces, decorating for St. Patrick's Day can be both festive and stylish. Let's explore creative ways to bring a bit of luck and charm into your space. If you love adding a little festive fun, incorporate playful elements into your decor. Hang shamrock garlands and twinkle lights with green accents. Display a hand-lettered sign with an Irish blessing or a simple, Happy St. Patrick's Day. Create a centerpiece with gold-wrapped chocolates, or green carnations, or both. A little sparkle can make the holiday feel extra special. No St. Patrick's Day is complete without a little Irish wit. Here's a fun limerick to bring some festive cheer. There once was a man from Kildare who danced with a shamrock to spare. He jigged through the night in the soft moonlight, spreading laughter and joy in the air. If you prefer a more understated approach, you can bring in small touches of green and gold with soft textiles. Fresh greenery like eucalyptus or potted clover plants. Or a beautiful table setting. Sometimes, the simplest details make the biggest impact. With candles aglow, soft and bright. Green accents bring charm and delight. A touch here and there shows St. Patrick's Day flair, making home feel both warm and just right. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the original color associated with St. Patrick wasn't green, but blue? It wasn't until the 18th century that green became linked with the holiday because of Ireland's national symbol, the green shamrock. Ready to celebrate in style? From cozy tea gatherings to festive get-togethers, these fun and creative party ideas will make your St. Patrick's Day one to remember. If you're hosting a small get-together, a tea and treats setup is perfect. It's so cozy and festive. For a pretty and inviting St. Patrick's Day tea party, use vintage tableware. A simple floral arrangement. And a sweet and savory charcuterie board or tiered tray. Ready to add some extra sparkle to your St. Patrick's Day celebration? Let's dive into a fun and festive pot of gold party that's sure to bring some luck and a whole lot of cheer. Create a pot of gold dessert table with gold-wrapped chocolates, green cupcakes, and rainbow decorations. A DIY leprechaun hunt is a fun way to include the kids. It's similar to an Easter egg hunt, but use chocolate gold coins instead of eggs. And don't forget the drinks. Green punch, green beer, leprechaun lemonade, and Irish cream coffee add to the festive cheer. On March the 17th, we say, let's celebrate St. Patrick's Day with laughter and cheer and plenty of beer. In green, we shall dance and hooray. Here's some more inspiration for your St. Patrick's Day decor and parties. Let's conclude our St. Patrick's Day video with a beautiful Irish blessing. May your troubles be less, and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. If you enjoyed this St. Patrick's Day celebration, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.